To configure an input node, StratoAutomation palette, first drag one into your flow space, then double click to edit the properties. First thing we'll have to do is tell it which ocean server to grab the data from. So I will add a new ocean server. I'll click the console icon to edit the properties of that ocean server. Ocean IP address, I'll either use localhost if I want to use the server, so the local IP address, or I can enter the IP address of, I'll need the MQTT port, and I will need the API token, which can be grabbed from entering the IP address of your ocean server /pound/API token. I've already generated a token here, but if I were to create a new one, name, description, then hit create token, and it would allow me to copy. Once I have that, I can paste it in here. I'll also want to save that somewhere safe so that if I ever need it again, programming doesn't break. Copy and paste it in. Then if I need to, I can change IP or MSTP communication settings depending on communication protocol I'm using, IP or MSTP. I can also enable debug if. Once I have that, I'll hit add to save it. Now it will show up here as ocean server. So open my local host drop down here. Then the device settings, what I'll do is choose the device instance from my network and the object ID from that device that I want to pull values from. So here I'm pulling from 213001. I want to read analog input 7. Then finally, I'll choose the communication settings. So if I want to use MQTT, which is recommended for our first party devices, and you can use the API if you're interacting with third party devices that might not work with our implementation of MQTT. Then I can choose which topic I want to come in at. So I can just do default, or if I have a bunch of data, I may want to split that up into different input topics. Once I have all that configured as I'd like, done. Now you'll see this input node here has some information in it. It has the device instance and the backend object that I'm looking at here. Now, if I go up and hit deploy, you'll see it starts pulling that value in. The present value is 4092. To on the right here to link it to other nodes. So I have the default input topic here, so I could drag this into a function or one of my other nodes, or you can also see the status of this node here. And